Well, the tractor is special because a lot of people grew up on these machines. There's an emotional bond to the machine because it brings back memories of a simpler time. I'm Lou Spiegelberg. I have a shop and a farm here in Amherst, Ohio. I restore antique and classic tractors. My first tractor memory, I was probably about 2 or 3 years old, and I would not go to bed at nighttime until I got to go out and sit on a tractor. It just grew into a passion of wanting to fix these old tractors up to make them run again. I would describe my relationship with tractors as an obsession. There are certain models of tractors I could practically do in my sleep. It can be from just getting the tractor running, to painting it, to completely tearing it apart, to every last nut and bolt. It's an art. It's almost a gut feeling like, okay, I know what was probably wrong with this, and you go and look at it and try to fix it. And a lot of that is just done by sound and feel, and the rest is up to you to figure out. The importance of the tools to the process is very important. If you have the proper tools, it makes the job simple. They all have a different personality. Well, some of these antique tractors are going on 100+ years old. To start it up, you have to go through a different ritual for each one of them. You have to figure it out of what's the best way to get it to start up. My son Clayton, he works with me in the shop. He is 19, and he's been coming out to the shop with me since he's been about 2.5. I gave him a nickname of Eagle Eye because sometimes there's just stuff that he spots that I didn't see. First time I restored a tractor, when I got it back to the farm, my dad, he was madder than mad that I had bought this thing. Probably about 8-9 months later, it was finished. And my dad was so proud of that tractor, he went out and bought me another tractor. That was his way of saying, "You did a good job, son, and I want you to do another one." That was a gift from my dad. And it's just something that I have left from him. This has just been passed down. It's clearly in my blood. I believe it's in my son's blood, and hopefully it'll be in his children's blood. It's just a passion and a way of life for my family.